$219 is what it costs to have this type of security, but with this alternative it will cost you nothing. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a trust wallet so you can keep your cryptocurrencies more secure and avoid the risk of having your cryptocurrencies on an exchange. Why is it dangerous to have your cryptocurrencies on Binance or any other exchange? When your cryptocurrencies are on this type of platforms, exchanges like Binance or Nexo, you have 3 risks that can make you lose your money, meaning your cryptocurrencies. These are: number 1, the exchange can become non-functional or unprofitable, thus retaining your cryptocurrencies and not allowing you to withdraw them. In reality, they were never really your cryptocurrencies, since you gave custody to the exchange by leaving them there. We have examples like FTX or Celsius, which froze their users' funds and didn't allow them to withdraw their cryptocurrencies. Number 2, you risk being robbed, either by the exchange being hacked and the users' funds being taken. In fact, there is a team of hackers in China dedicated specifically to this, or by being directly hacked yourself, with someone obtaining your username and password, accessing your profile, and withdrawing all your funds. Being connected to the internet, a hot wallet is more susceptible to cyber attacks, such as hacking, phishing, and malware. If a hacker gains access to your wallet, they could steal your cryptocurrencies. The third risk is the loss of privacy. When using an online wallet, you may need to provide personal information and identification data, which could compromise your privacy and expose you to additional risks. What do I mean by this? In some countries, the government wants to take a little more of your money and charge you taxes on the gains from your cryptocurrencies, or simply for owning cryptocurrencies. In order to provide their services in the country, some exchanges are required to provide user information if the government requests it. But these 3 problems are solved by having a cold or decentralized wallet. You can buy one such as a Trezor, which has models for $219 or $69, or a Ledger, which has models for $149 or $79. Or the other alternative, which is actually free, is to install it on a phone that you don't use and keep it disconnected from networks. The first things we need to do is download the application and create an account. There is a super important step that please pay attention to so you can avoid a huge problem in the future. In the description, under the links and resources section, you will find a link to download the application from the App Store if you are using iOS, or from the Play Store if you have an Android. Once installed, let's proceed. You will be presented with 2 options when you open the app. One, to create a wallet, and the second, if you already have one. We'll go through how to use the first option. Tap on Create a Wallet, and it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. You can read them by tapping here. Once you've reviewed them, check the box and tap Continue. Here, it informs you that will display 12 words to recover your wallet in case it's lost. These 12 words, also known as seed phrases or private keys, allow you to manage your balances on the blockchain. It also explains 3 important points about the wallet. Number 1, losing these seed phrases means your balances will be lost forever. Number 2, sharing or exposing these seed phrases could lead to your funds being stolen. And number 3, Trust Wallet will never ask you for your seed phrases. Now, check the box and tap Continue. These are the 12 words, numbered from 1 to 12, and they must be written in the exact order when you need to recover your wallet. What you should do is write down these 12 words in a physical notebook or on paper and keep it in a safe place where you won't lose it. It's advisable, as with anything in life, to have more than one backup. In this case, you can write them down in 2 separate notebooks or on 2 pieces of paper. This way, if you lose one, you have a backup. Do not store this information digitally. Why, you may ask? Because doing so makes it accessible to hackers. If they gain access to your device's files for any reason, they could find your seed phrases and take all your funds. Let's tap Continue. Now, you will need to enter the words in the order they were given. To ensure you wrote them down correctly, tap Continue and then the X in the upper right corner. Congratulations, you now have your Trust Wallet account. Next, I will show you how to recover your Trust Wallet account or load your wallet on another device. Hint: to ensure you've written down the seed phrases correctly, you can go through the process of closing your account in the app and trying to recover it. This way, you can verify that everything is in order in case you lose the device where your wallet is stored. Let's move on to the next screen. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap Get Started. When you first open the account, you select the first option. Now select the second option, which is to import the wallet. If you didn't set a security code for the wallet earlier, it might ask for it now. Alternatively, you can enable biometric authentication, such as your fingerprint or Face ID. If you have iOS, you can save access to your wallet in iCloud. The first option here allows me to restore using my iCloud, and the second is for using the 12 secret phrases. This time, we're going to use the universal method, regardless of whether you have iOS or Android. Let's enter the 12 phrases and select the second option. Tap on multi-coin wallet, and here you need to enter the 12 phrases. I will show you how it's done with the first 2 phrases. I will tap uniform. As you see below, Trust Wallet gives you a choice of the word. Tap on it and then enter the next word, which is exhibit. Follow the suggestions at the bottom for the remaining 10 phrases. If you've done it correctly, you will see a message indicating that the wallet has been imported. I didn't mention it earlier, but with Trust Wallet, you can buy cryptocurrencies with a card, swap your cryptocurrencies with others on the platform, and also store your NFTs. Tap the X on the upper right corner to close. And there you go. You now have your Trust Wallet open and your seed phrases securely stored and verified. Now, all you need to do is transfer your funds from a centralized exchange to Trust Wallet, and you will learn how to do that in this video. Tap it and I'll meet you there. Thanks for watching.